Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupalama. Today I carried bad news for Uzalo viewers. Addressa Kuku Kumete leave Uzalo. She plays the role of MaMlambo on Uzalo. On Uzalo, MaMlambo visit Pastor Kuala to break the devastating news that she leaves Kwamashu for spiritual cleaning, and she went for Endwedwe to see a Gogo Menziwa, his spiritual guiding, and Detective Monley transfer her community service sentence to the local police station. That is for today. What do you feel about the living of MaMlambo on Uzalo? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.